Yo, what's up, fam? Here's another advantage of using the Numark PT01 Scratch with your iPad or your iPhone. Now, the Numark PT01 Scratch can run off external battery power or an adapter, as well as portable chargers. If you find an portable charger that is able to power the PT01, there's some on the market you'd have to search. I don't have one on hand right now. This one is currently running off of double D batteries, so it's still portable, but it's only as long as the batteries are lasting. I also have the advantage of being able to plug it into a wall if need be. So now with the Numark PT01 Scratch, there's also a USB connection for a USB cable that you would use to plug in typically an audio interface or a computer, or even any peripheral that you may have that is able to have that USB connection. So I would just grab a USB cable and plug it directly into the Numark PT01. Now what this is going to allow me to do is connect my Numark PT01 to my iPad or my iPhone and stream music or the record directly into my iPad or my iPhone. And one of the advantages of doing that is you don't need an extra audio interface cable to sample into your iPad or your iPhone. So we're going to start with the phone first. And as you see now, it's being directly connected to my USB camera connection cable with no external power. Directly to my phone. Get it in there. And this is the lightning cable. Now I just have to cue up the record. I don't have to worry about the fader being on or off because the sound is going to be bypass the fader, and it's just going to be directly streamed into the phone. Now you see the sound is jumping. That's directly coming from the turntable. Now, one of the cons is that I would have to disconnect the cable from the iPad or the iPhone to actually hear the sound. And the reason why that is that as soon as this is plugged in to my iPhone or my iPad, it's taking over the sound on the iPhone or the iPad. And so that's one of the drawbacks, but you can still monitor the sound that you're sampling from if you're on the go and you don't happen to have an audio interface on you. You can just simply hit record, cue up the record, put the fader in the on position, and you can hear the sound coming out of the speaker on the PT01. Record, cue up the record. Now it did get a piece of my voice prior to the cable taking over. That's why you hear some of my voice being overlapped. Same thing with the iPad. Just connected to your camera connection kit. Now this one does have the ability to power directly off of the iPad if you wanted to, if you needed to, but you don't even need that, as you saw with the case with the iPhone with the lightning cable, that you didn't need any external power, which is an advantage of having the Numark PT01. So I'll cue up the record. Fader's in the off position. And I'll hold down just to record on this one because I have the settings different from the iPhone. Now one of the cons when sampling from the USB cable is that the sound will be a little bit more louder than it would be if you had audio interface. You have more control over the sound source and the volume of the source via the RCA cables or the line in and line outs with an audio interface. Let's try to lower the volume on the Numark PT01. Let's see if it does anything as far as controlling the sound coming through the USB cable. As you see here, it's still peaking. So that's one of the drawbacks when sampling directly off of the Numark PT01 via the USB cable. But like I said, if you wanted to sample a record and you don't have access to an audio interface, but you do have your record player with you on your iPad or your iPhone, this is one of the advantages of having the Numark PT01 Scratch. There are a few other record players that are on the market that allow streaming from the USB cable into the iPad or into typically this was designed for a computer. So they also have other programs on the computer that will allow you to use your turntable to stream directly into your computer. But yeah, this is just one of the advantages of using the Numark PT01 Scratch is the ability to connect it directly to your iPad or your iPhone if you don't have an audio interface. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Peace.